Machine tools have come a long way, from manual mechanisms to smart, connected systems that can think for themselves. In the energy sector, we work with massive components, generators, turbines, reactors. And precision is not optional. Being just a few microns off can ruin months of work. Each part can take weeks or even months to machine across several solutions. So we simply cannot afford a single mistake. It's not just about size. It's about complexity. These machines make impossible shapes, flawless curves, giant drillings, ultra-smooth surfaces. Power meets finesse. The result? Parts that can handle extreme temperatures, insane speeds, and enormous pressures. Large-scale machining is the perfect balance between brute strength and absolute precision. It's what makes modern energy, transport, and aerospace possible.
A single FIV machine can shape a 20-meter part with tight tolerances. When I see a high-speed train pass by, I know somewhere inside it there is a part made by us. Our solutions make the parts, but it's our know-how that makes the difference. Building a 60-ton machine that stays rigid, fluid, precise, and reliable for 30 years, that's a true technological challenge.
And that's the world we're building. Huge parts, extreme precision, and teams that are pushing technology further every day. But to understand how we got here, we first need to go back. In the next episode, we'll trace the journey from manual mechanisms to AI-powered systems and how each leap shaped modern industry. Stay tuned, Big Moves is just beginning.